see here, and the other person were the two kidnapped victims abducted by Fulani kidnappers in Abia State, demanding 10 million naira ransom. The Ohuhu youth in the community mobilized themselves and moved into bush where the abductors were holding them in their captivity. As the youth went there, they surrounded the bush in and out. They mounted themselves everywhere in thousands and made sure that there was nowhere anybody can escape. They positioned themselves properly. They captured the kidnappers. Look at one of the victims. He was kidnapped together with the woman. So they rescued these people and apprehended the Fulani terrorists. There was nowhere for them to escape. The youths captured them and released their victims. Look at them going home. You can see, this is what I have been saying. There is no way these people can come to our territory to terrorize us and we will keep quiet. An outsider cannot be bigger than the owner of the land. These people are operating because the communities where they have been unleashing mayhem kept quiet. I give kudos to Ohuhu youth in Abia State. Ohuhu community, in fact, these people, you deserve commendation. These are the kind of youth we need in Igbo land. These are the kind of youth we need everywhere in Igbo land. Enough is enough. What is happening?
We would all rather die than allow Fulani to take our land from us. I'm telling you, before God and man, it can never happen. It cannot happen. We will turn this world upside down. They will see something they've not seen before. All of you, we are there. You are claiming you are human beings. You claim you have brain. They are busy replacing your leaders, giving you idiots that will support them. Exactly what Afonja did in Kwara State, in Ilorin, is something they are doing. Some of you, you read history, but you don't make meaning. You don't make any meaning out of it. Black people, and you wonder why Africa is poor. You wonder why black people are poor and wretched all over the world. By some few individualized brilliance, so to say, we would have been lower than animals. I'm telling you this. Have you not seen it? All over the world, are we doing well anywhere? All around the world, is that not the truth? Is that not the truth? Even those who are doing well, a white person gave them the opportunity to do well. A white person gave them the space to do well. Are you telling me if it were to be Africa that even forget about his limitations and idiocy, do you think someone like Obama could have come out to become a president in Africa? Anywhere? I'm asking you. Look at all the idiots you have in Africa. That's the heads of state. Do you think they can improve your lives? Look at the idiots you have as journalists. Do you think they can improve your life? Do you think so? They cannot improve your lives. And that is what we are here to preach, to tell you the truth. All the years of lies against you. Remember, after the war, Igbo man, this Igbo man, that, Biafra, not to Biafra. You are secessionists. You want to divide us. We are doing it in order to lure you into a false sense of hope. To show you an enemy that doesn't exist in order to conquer you. Remember, they said they were together with Yoruba. All of us are in this thing together. We are fighting the Igbos. We are fighting Biafra. They are secessionists. They want to secede. They want to break our country. They were saying, but today they are in Yoruba land, killing Yoruba people. The same people that told you Igbo man is your problem, Biafra is your, they are in your land killing you. Why? When are you people going to reason? When are you going to reason? And understand that everything about Fulani is a pack of lies. I heard that girl called Kadira Ahmed. She was saying, this was how we started in Rwanda. It was a hate speech. Hate speech. You people are carrying out hate action with your AK-47, your ganja weed rapists. You call them headsmen and Miyekiala. Can't you see it? When people rise up to respond, you are claiming that there is hate speech. That was how it started in Rwanda. When Fulani was slaughtering people, raping their way through the middle belt, coming to the south, did you say anything? The answer is no. Never said anything. Fulani, you think you're smart. You people think you're very smart. Because you control the media, you have access to central bank, you can do whatever you like. Because you were there when that idiot, the dead buffoon, The dead idiot called Buhari was in power. Unfortunately, put in power by the Yoruba people. Yoruba put him in power. You have seen what you've gotten for it. You have not seen it? Why won't I speak the truth? Anybody who knows who I am knows I speak the truth always, and I damn the consequences. Because nothing will happen. Let heaven fall. You were campaigning for Buhari. You were warned. You are digging your grave. You did not listen. You did not listen. Now they have gone to Yoruba land. They want to take over Yoruba land with terrorists. And then they face Eastern Security Network with the army. That's what they want to do. It's a very simple game plan. What they have done, they have bribed every media house in the world has gotten nothing less than $50 million. Suppress the news with the help of Britain. So they can come and kill us. So you don't know that? That's what they want to do. They want to reduce world population. And the more black people dies in Africa, the better for them. Don't you understand? Are you people that stupid you cannot reason? Look at Fulani driving cattle, playing with your brains, you claim you went to school.
But the possible zoo Nigeria. Lekwa Nigeria madosa aya Chineke na de ngosi. Onye ọbụla na-ekpe ekpere ka Nigeria wee wuru ofu nna nke bridge dị ndị dị etu a wee laa ha n'iyi. Chineke na kiwe biko da kiwe kpọọ ha ọkụ. Kpọọ ha ọkụ kpọ ezinụlọ ha ọkụ.